It'll scare off the wife.
Nine.
Nothing, sir.
But
Might have to share with your sister.
there's one. Yeah, you have to show your sister.
Okay.
I go.
Amma. Maui. Pay attention, sweetie.
They all were was Amma against my little brother. What crackle?
Already, you're going to Asasi amponi amwa, asasi odi omo sama ebiri die de mefe die. Aboko ya somo do kuti yin tini mo mudi ba ko ba no se so ba ko na ye ko mi na. Asu kama. Akono di won se so mi. Asu di. Asu bo afu, asu odi ko. Asu ya na na ti ka ri se. Ni na fi ti an ko a fi na to ya na de ko fi. Ane se ko ba. Ni na mumra mo jomo su. Na ne die ni se na ya brana ma fa ye so mo pa na fa so ye ko nyansa. You're not knowing someone for it. You're not knowing someone for it. You're not knowing someone for it. Come on, I'm not being. Yeah. 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 When you know, Mumra, I said a car, no, push running in my yes, push around for you now, moments, Yadiana, Umunya, Yansa, and maybe ever one more, Cerebea, Tati, everything when you go on a bomb. Cerebea, but me, I've watched any of you in our way, Madama. Yeah. Now the young person, young was only here. Omoni brafra amandi ye. Ojan shena so nyina se na kaba. We na yesro mo dawroma. Na fe o man bia o pese anka abi man di jade. On hia support on yen ko fa na je pare no mo. We na yesro mo dawroma. Mu shira nyina ya hia hai. Mu shira mi apai. Mo dawroma mu shira nyina ko ta ba. Ya franka. Oh, Muhammad.
My book? I don't have mine. I have a new book. I have a new book.
I know that you're going to melt anyway. It's going to melt. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Don't let touch the ground.
But this is me.
Does anyone have it? Feet? Good morning, Fred. Does anyone have it?
I don't have it in my book, but I have it in
Abra.
Oh, the red one. Huh? Yeah. It's in my book.
They took a bath over there on the playground.
No.
A sweat bath.
You guys playing African Overboard?
No. We played
Yeah, money out of
and harmony among us. We'll be loving, sharing, and creative. We'll work, study, and listen so we may learn. Learn so we may teach. We will cultivate self-reliance. We will struggle to resurrect and unify our holiness. We'll have discipline, patience, devotion, and courage. We'll live as models to provide new directions for our people. We'll be free and self-determined. We're an African people. We will win and we have won. We will win and we have won. We will win and we have won. I share.
What is your purpose?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm seeing my ancestors. I'm the hope of today. I'm the builder for those unborn. I'm the promoter of the African way.
What's your purpose?
Use my personal skills and talents for the benefit of my community. To think of others first and build and mold the African community. Mama Africa's my home. Liberations are sown. You can't step me wrong. I'm African to the bone. Birth is not the beginning, and death is not the end. I am because we are. Together we shall win.
Let's speak up. I'm not hearing
We
you.
pledge allegiance to the red, black, and green, our flag, the symbol of our eternal struggle, and to the land we must obtain. One nation, the black people, with one God of us all, totally united in the struggle for black love, black freedom, and black self-determination. A is for Africa, land where our ancestors are from. B is for build, step by step, one by one. C is for create, to make things better. D is for determination,
We won't give up ever. Loudly.
E is for example, to be what we believe. F is for focus, to pay attention to our needs. G is for growth, to change from good to best. H is for history, we can put to the test. I is for identity, African people are we. J is for journey, our mama land is sea. K is for knowledge, to fill our minds. L is for love,
Of self and kind.
M is for many, for young and old. N is for nation, our own to control. O is for organized, get us together. P is for power.
Loudly.
Q is for question, to know how, what, where, why, and when. R is for alliance, to be strong from beginning to end. S is for struggle, to fight our enemies toe to toe. T is for teach, to pass on to our people whatever we know. U is for unity, together both day and night. V is for values, to the wrong for life. L is for work, which is our best hope. X is for the unknown, which is the Negro. Y is for youth, the future are we. And Z is for zero, which is all we get free.
You're enacting it. You're reenacting it.
He was reenacting the entire Yasantiwa War.
Nice.
Ago. Paja. Ago. Another Yabasan Sian ceremony. Indeed, the Dicano, my share day, anyway. The Cabomoa, a way, one of between Aka. Mo, Avidia, and just one. Adrina, such a saying. I feel gay, ye, your carbon more, you can't say. Gay, ye, your carbon more, you can't say. P. Oja, as a children say. Oja, as a children say. Mo, I idea. I feel, hey, niwe. To say, P. I should share, my car, I should share. My yanka, I should share. Kayla, I should share. Nkosi, I should share. Mo, I should share now, say to the same. I didn't I should share. Mo, I idea. I feel, hey, ni ye. She. To say tree, a shine, as a children say.
I'm sure.
Mo. Why are you? K, ni way, your cabo moi. Away, way. Quick. To say tree, a choir.
Forest.
Mo. Money up. K, ni ye. Your cabo moi, you can't say.
To green.
There your cabo moi, you cannot say. K, ni ye. Debbie.
It went down.
K, ni ye. Chi. To say tree, chia. Na chia ase chere sai.
To greet.
Mo aya dia.
To greet. Yeah, I stole it. Yeah.
What's that? Ni we. Ni we. They say, but because a wrong word, and I say tree on one. Ya boy. Mo. Hey, I'm ma.
Stole. Yes.
Mo. Ni ye. They say tree anyinam. Anyinam.
Lightning.
Mo.
Lightning. Yes. Lightning. Yeah, you see right here? You see this? Done. You see? Over here.
I say te ni we. They say inchworm, and I say tree. Echa.
A scar. Not happening. It's not happening this time.
I say tree. We want to say, my uncle. We want to say. David, my uncle. We want to say. We want to say. Now in just one, aye, me honye. At the sign. Now, see, I can't say at the same in just one, Now, one swear, my uncle, now one swear. I say, Annie, I say, Chile. Debbie. Annie, Debbie, no. Timanka, Debbie. And I said, Debbie. Michiao. Now, Obi Chia said, Michiawa. Obi just said,
Good. I greet you.
now, Obi Chia said,
yes, wait.
and he said, Obi Chia said, Michiawa. Obi just said, Mijioso, Manka, Mijioso. Chi Michiao. Mama Michiao. Mijioso. Amara Michiao. No. Nana ya Michiao.
I saw adults on the zip line once. I know. It's like a bunch of memes.
Marching. Mayenka, marching.
Yes. Stolen.
So if someone says me ciao, I greet you, me Joso. That translates to I respond to you. So I greet you, I respond to you. J, so you're not born to respond. So the J and the so together translate to respond. Marching. Marching. Mo- Maha. 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 Mayenka. Maha. Mayenka. Maha. 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 Majo. 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 Akwaba. Akwaba. Akwaba.
Welcome.
Nti ni na machi de kopim akwaba ninjeswo enie. So responses from everything from machi to akwaba.
If you sing Akaba means you're talking to
Yeah,
it means
it means
welcome.
is that you are welcoming someone. Now if we ako going ne aba coming. So when you're saying akwaba, what you're saying is going and coming. Actually say wako na wabadada. So it's saying that you've gone and you've come. The process of going and coming is what you're saying literally. So that's how it's translated into English, because at the point in time where you would say akwaba to someone in Chi is the point in time where you would say welcome to someone in English. Right? Akwaba. And me just say me chow say akwaba. We just say ya nana. So my opinion, we just say ya nana. So if you're an elder, you would respond. If the person who's saying is an elder, you respond saying ya nana. Mayenka ya nana.
Ya nana.
Ya nana.
Ya nana.
Ya nana. Yeja. Yeja. Mayenka yeja. Yeja. Kila yeja. Yana. 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 Yanuya. 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 Akwaba. Mo. Akwaba. Akwaba. Mo. Akwaba. Remember in our Ghana culture, you never use your left hand to greet,
If I did this, would it be rude?
No, that's the wrong hand.
I know, I'm just saying, if I did this, it would be rude. Like how? How's it an insult if I use my left hand? Because it...
Be the hand you was.
Oh.
You don't offer that hand.
Yanuya.
Both hands should be treated the same.
Yanuya.
Both hands should be treated the same. Then what about those left-handers, huh? Huh?
Okay, Yaoba.
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 Yaoba. Yaoba. Nti munchia say marching. Chama say marching. Yaoba. 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 Yanuya.
Those are 3 different responses.
Depending on who the person is in relationship to me. Right? So the same way you would evaluate, is this person old enough to be my father? Is this person old enough to be my grandparent? Is this person young enough to be my child? Is this person in the same general age group as me? Right? Wodin desai. Wodin desai mayenka. Wodin desai.
Wodin desai.
Wodin desai. Wodin desai. Midinde kwami. Midinde kwami. What's wodin desai? Wodin desai. 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 Afi, your friend was saying, 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 your friend was saying. What can I say? Yeah, from me. Yeah, from me. Yeah, from me. Yeah, from me.
So you all call me?
We call me.
Okay, we call me.
So the collective is doing the calling. Now, so sometimes this is difficult for people because they know in English they would say, I am called. In Chi, it's a collective who is doing the calling, right? So in English, you're saying, I am called, but you're not mentioning the one who's doing the calling. You're called by whom? Kase mekogun siu kakra. Mekogun siu kakra. Mekogun siu kakra. Mekogun siu kakra.
It looks like
Mekogun siu kakra. That's I'm going to pour water a little bit. It's a euphemism for having to urinate. The non-euphemism is this is also I will go to urinate, but this is the euphemism. Mekogun siu kakra. And on that, there was a car. What can I say? Mekogun swa. So both are saying that. So this both are for urination. So mekogun siu kakra. I will go pour water a little. That's the euphemism. You can't tell what I say. I know you're a poor kwanso. So this is the way you say it so people know that you are raised well. When so yes me can say meko junso. This is to say I'm going to go urinate. It's a bit somewhere a bit more crass way to say it. Right. Mine twice. So let's continue. Echresai. Mayenka echresai. So once you see what you mean besides echresai. So if there's anything you don't understand, you can ask. Echresai. Watch out here. Tre asia. Tre asia. Now Bibia will pass your trasia no. So what you want to be translated comes in the middle. So tre, whatever it is, asia.
I think I might have to sit so I can look at the laptop because I can't. old eyes.
Chira, asia. Chira, asia. And see, Mama in Shesobi. So let me give you an example. Chira, bag, asia. Chira, bag, asia. So if you want the person to translate the word bag for you into tree, you could say chira, bag, asia. What can I say? Oh, and no, they are chira, kotupuo. So they could say, that translates to kotupuo.
So what does that mean? Is a clear saying?
So it's saying. So when you're saying that, you're asking them, what does that translate to? Right? So you're asking the person to translate whatever it is. And it can work just as well for English to tree as tree to English. So if you ask them in English what the English translation is, they'll give you, what you're looking for. If you ask them what the tree translation is, they'll give it to you. Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago. Mutie. Moa moya okala nkitwa. Moa moya amanom. Memenda fo. Memenda nom. Mutie. Aha, Ghana muntie. Ipa chow. Ipa chow. Ipa chow. Ipa chow. Mayenka mipa chow. Mipa chow. Mi pa wo chow.
Mi pa wo chow.
Mipa chow.
So K-Y-E-W is chow.
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 Means
Chow.
human.
Excuse me. Okay, chow.
Mipa chow.
Mi pa chow.
Tiafino wahi. Tiafino wahi. Tiafino wahi. Tiafino wahi. That's the restroom is where? Where you saying? Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
That what person will talk bibia? Where you saying?
What you saying?
Where you saying?
What you saying?
Where you saying?
What you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
So this is how much. You can also use where you ahi. Where you ahi?
Where you ahi?
Where you ahi?
What you saying?
And this is also, this is how much.
Okay.
Where you ahi?
Where you ahi?
Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you ahi? Where you saying?
Where you saying?
Where you ahi?
Where you ahi?
Where you saying?
What you saying?
Where you ahi?
What you saying?
Teso,
Teso.
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 Bibi boy down. If something is expensive, you can tell them teso,
Teso.
which is literally tear off the top. Teso,
Teso.
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 Mayenka, teso, teso. Temeso, temeso. So you're telling them to reduce the price for you.
Tear off my top.
Aye.
Tear the top off for me.
Accommodate me. Accommodate me.
Accommodate me.
Accommodate me.
Accommodate
me.
Accommodate me.
Also accommodate me.
Also accommodate me.
Accommodate me pa. Accommodate me pa. Mayenka, accommodate me pa.
Accommodate me pa.
Oh.
So what's the pa adding?
What do you think that would be?
Stomach ache?
I know, but the pa, I thought the
So what do you think the pa is doing?
Accommodate me.
Saying you're really...
Okay, so I'm hungry bad. I've been hungry bad, I'm hungry so till. That's how they talk.
So the longer you hold out the pie, the more hungry you are. Accommodate me pie.
Accommodate me pa.
Oh. Osukomdeme.
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 Osukomdeme. So komdeme is I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. Osukomdeme.
Ekom, hunger takes me. So that's literal. So in English, colloquial English, you say I'm hungry. But in Chi, to know word for word what you're saying, ekom de me, hunger takes me. Osukom de me. This is how most things that affect you, you phrase it. So you say heat takes me, steam takes me, coldness takes me, whatever it is. You're saying this is a thing and it's affecting me. As opposed to I am something. Right? What else here? Mo, why are you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mo, why are you? We are painful. What's that Nifa? Mo, now, when you say, she, say, Kano, you find yourself in Chianipa. So, as we know, in Chi, in Akan culture rather, you don't use your left hand to greet people. Uchi Akrampo, I won't find myself in Chiano. So even if you're greeting someone at a distance, you don't use your left hand to greet that person.
To even wave at them.
To even wave at them. We understand how say, if you do it with your left hand, it signifies something. The same way that, for example, and these things are based on culture. So if you stick up your middle finger at somebody in one culture, it means something bad, right? It has a bad connotation. And another culture is like, he's pointing up at the sky. It doesn't mean anything.
Really?
Right?
Do it back to you.
Yeah, they're like, oh yes, what's up there, right? So based on the culture, you have to know what it is. Now, I didn't think in Sabin Kumi and Fan Chianipa. Why is it that you don't use your left hand to greet people?
I think that that's the hand to wipe your backside.
Exactly, that's the hand that you use to wipe your backside. And see, BBI, your name say, and also not at the Yadiaba. You also know that when you associate feces with other things, it can bring about sickness, right? And see, what they want to come na a papa or to na fi they was and did ya, you know say at the Yadiaba. So we know if you use your hand, you know, to do this, and perhaps there's something left.
So there's
By
an
somewhere.
assumption that everyone's right-handed.
No, it's not an assumption. Everyone is forced to be right-handed.
From a baby, you train your child to be right-handed.
Right.
You stop them from using their left hand, and you make
So-
them use their right hand.
So socially, you'll use your right hand to do anything, interaction with other people, and socially, you will learn to use your left hand to do anything. Right?
I learned that in a YouTube video a few years ago, but I didn't know kids are forced to use their right hand. Some left hand. So they see it, they're like, oh, no. Really?
Yeah.
They'll take it out of your left hand and put it in your right hand to make you use your right hand to get it
What do you mean?
or write with.
That's left hand. So,
They learn to use their right hand to interact with people, and they learn to use their left hand to wipe their backsides and do other things.
Like write, and they write and stuff.
It's not the only thing. Like if you're drumming, you use both hands. If you're doing lots of things with yourself or things in that context, you can use both hands. If you're carrying things, you can use both hands. But to interact with other people, it's Hanifa.
Or when you're cooking. I live in every house, and she was making banco, so she got the pouting thing, and every time she tastes it, it's always with the right hand. She would never use her left hand to taste the butter.
That would be horrendous.
That would be horrendous.
All right. Now, after you was seminar, so we have soap. You know what I'm saying? We have water. We know how to wash our hands. Now, after you that's what we say. BBI fa ben kompon BBI fa sebe ebini ho and I say ajenai ho. Yen fa indi nkita ho. But we still know that any time that you interact with other people, you don't associate feces with social interactions. Every say you name say it to me the yareba because we know that it can bring about sickness. What else?
I'm so used to handling things with my right hand, like eating my food, thank you. I'm getting my money, it's only my left hand that's available, and I'm like, okay. You know what I mean? So, I didn't know that as far as doing food, you either have to do that with your hand,
Your right hand.
especially when they watch you and they do stuff.
And I catch myself picking up stuff. I'll be eating a piece of chicken, I'll pick it up with the left hand, and I'm like, people are looking.
I'm a right-handed person.
Most people are, but a lot of people are not. And
I eat breakfast with my right hand. Do you feel comfortable?
but lunch and dinner with your left.
Are you left-handed?
Eu mãe troço. O su come de me. O su come de me.
Also come to me.
O su come de me.
Also come to me.
O su come de me.
Also come to me.
Award me. Award me. Award me. Award me. Award me.
Cold take.
I'm cold.
They probably don't use that a lot here.
I'm cold. I'm cold.
That's when they get to New York.
I'm cold. I'm cold.
When they get to Boston and Chicago, they use that word.
I'm cold.
I would them.
I'm cold.
I want a wild them. I want them. Yeah, well, it gets mighty cold in Boston and
And see, you know, say, baby, I want all these things are relative. They say, we'll call equipment. So if you go up to equipment at some times of the year, they say, like around September, you know, that time.